Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Solar Lights Outdoor Waterproof, a cutting-edge solution for illuminating your outdoor spaces with its 320-degree wide-angle design and super bright 5730 type LED beads. These lights emit a crisp 6500K brightness and boast an impressive lifespan of over 50,000 hours, powered by a high-grade polycrystalline solar panel with a remarkable 25% energy conversion rate, ensuring your spaces stay lit for 6 to 8 hours after just a 4 to 6 hour charge. Equipped with intelligent control technology, these lights automatically turn on at dusk and off at dawn, offering 3 versatile lighting modes to suit your needs, including motion detection and timed brightness. Built to withstand the elements, these lights feature an IP66 waterproof rating and are made from high-impact ABS material, making them perfect for any weather condition, from thunderstorms to scorching heat. The adjustable design allows for flexible installation with just 2 screws, making it ideal for a variety of locations such as streets, parking lots, gardens, and more. Plus, with a 24-month support promise from OKPRO, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that help is just a message away if needed. So, whether you're lighting up a basketball court or adding security to your backyard, these solar lights are the perfect choice for reliable and efficient outdoor illumination. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.